Hi everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. As you can see, got this gorgeous BMW M3 behind me, carbon everywhere. Now this week we are going to be changing the colour of the calipers, changing the colour of the wheels and fitting a big Eventuri air intake system. Keep watching, we're now going to take it into the workshop. So, as you may have guessed, we've removed the calipers off the car. Calipers are going a real cool colour. We're now in the prep stage, the boys are prepping them down, ready to move to the paint shop. So the calipers are all prepped. They're now based up in the booth. We've painted these calipers in a Lamborghini Aventador body colour. We've even added some sparkle flip to this to make it sparkle even more in the sun. It's going to look awesome. So, we're now in the fit-up stage. It's -4 in here today, it's freezing. But we've got to carry on. The wheels are done, the calipers are done. We're now in the fit-up stage. We're going to be stripping off the old air intake and fitting the new Eventuri. So the BMW M3 is now complete. As you can see, we've done the wheels a real nice champagne gold colour. The calipers have been done in a really nice purple, which is actually the body colour of the Lamborghini Aventador SV. Every single badge on the car with the blue accents, they've been changed to the gold. We've fitted the Eventuri air induction kit. We've also done the main bars through the front grille, same colour as the wheels, to make this car look really evil. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages. See you guys next time.